Yes, hello viewers, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain your guy, Francis Ogaba. I'm right now really glad for you for always liking my videos, sharing my videos, and above all, subscribing to my channel. I really thank you for that. Yeah, so guys, in this video, I shall be taking you through information literacy as I told you before. Yeah, guys, so right now, I'm super hyped to take you through another part of information literacy, that is search strategy. Yeah. So guys, some of you might have heard about this word search strategy, or they might have known something little about it. So I'm here, guys, to bring it as a whole to you to make you understand more about it. So guys, let me just dive straight to what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, this such strategy means a plan or method or technique used to systematically find relevant information on a particular topic or research question. It also typically involves identifying key concepts, selecting appropriate search terms, determining how to combine these terms to retrieve the most relevant results from a database or information retrieval system. Yeah, so guys, this is simply what I've brought for you, the introduction of such strategy. They're just plan to systematically find and research information. That is a brief overview about it. Yeah, so also in this video, I shall also be able to bring to you how to develop such strategy, or the process overview, how to communicate the research, and how to build a holistic such strategy that works. Yeah, so let me just describe it a bit for you. As I've already talked about that, this is a plan or method used to systematically find relevant information on a particular topic or research question. It typically involves identifying key concepts, selecting appropriate search terms, and determining how to combine these terms to retrieve the most relevant results from a database or information retrieval system. Yeah. Such they are also commonly used in academic research, in literature reviews, systematic reviews, and other information seeking contexts. They help researchers efficiently locate relevant sources while minimizing of the missing important information. So these are the process overview, or the way you can develop a such strategy. Yeah, the first one, yeah, this is how you can start it. The first question you have to ask yourself is, you have to state your topic as a question to focus. You search. You have to ask yourself first, is my question too broad or too narrow? Yeah, you have to know that your question is either broad or narrow. The second one, you have to define your need. Define your information need. You have to ask yourself, what sort and how much information do I need? Huh? What kind of information and how much do I need them? So the third thing you have to do is to identify the concepts. You have to identify the main concepts from your question. You have to ask, what are the most important terms in my question? And the fourth one is, you have to select the terms. You have to select those terms. Select the unique words, synonyms, spellings, plurals, broader topic. You have to ask yourself, what are some discipline specific thesauri? You have to ask, what discipline am I to follow? Using these synonyms or spelling. Yeah, in the fifth one, you have to select sources. Yeah? You select sources where you can search appropriately. Yeah, select the appropriate professional sources depending on the type or the topic you want, whether they are social topic or multidisciplinary topic or OL topic or social sciences. Yeah, you have to choose which source or while knowing which topic you are searching about. You should ask yourself, should I use the tertiary, secondary, or primary sources? What is the best place to start? Hmm? You should ask yourself this question. So, question number 6, you have to search. You have to construct a search with appropriate commands for the system selected. You have to ask, am I searching efficiently? The seventh, you have to revise your work. Be prepared to revise and refine your search. You have to revise and make it more finer. Yeah. Then after that, you ask yourself, did I retrieve all information that I need? Yeah. So guys, let me hope you're still with me. And the question number head that you must ask yourself, huh? Number head is how you can manage your results. You have to retrieve records, full text, save, print, and cite or the email it. Hmm? You have to ask yourself, how do I get full text? How will I use this information in the future? Yeah, so you have to retrieve your information, print. You can either print it or save it or you cite it so that you can go in future and get the information again. The question number 9 is about the evaluation of your work. You have to find out how good the information is. You have to ask yourself, can I trust this information? Yeah? You have to find if you have cited your article well. Uh, and the last question is to apply. The last thing you do is to apply, then you finish it. Yeah? You have to answer your question now. This is the time for answering the question. You have to ask yourself, did I answer my question? Do I still need more information? So that is your last point, your finishing point. Yeah, so you must be sure before you finish your work that you have got all the information you need. Yeah, so let me just dive straight to the components, guys. I think there are the 8 components. The first one is to identify a key concept. Second one, selection of terms. Third one, the use of Boolean operators. The fourth one is truncation and wildcards. Fifth, phrase searching. The sixth, the filters and limits. The databases selection and interactive process. So these are the search strategies component, and how to use them. You identify the key concepts and terms. Select relevant databases and resources. Yeah, then you combine the search terms with the Boolean operators while applying the truncation wildcards. You have to phrase your question, run searches in selected resources. Then you review and refine search by using iterative processes. Yeah. So guys, let me just go straight right now to talk about the first component, that is identification of key concepts and terms. Yeah, so guys, the first component is identification of key concepts and terms. Yeah, you have to define your information you need. Uh, these are the explanation and the example of how you can define your concepts, how you can identify your concepts. Yeah, let me first define for you. Yeah, you have to identify the key question or problem you are trying to address. This is how you the information you need. The second one is you have to break down your research questions or topic into its main components or themes to form a foundation of your research. Then you have to first form the foundation. You have to first get the main topic. From which topic am I researching from? Is it from a social sciences, or from the L topics, or the multidisciplinary research? Yeah, then the explanation is then why you have to do this is, you have to identify the essential ideas that your research focuses on. This will help to clarify what to look for in the databases or searching engines, especially in example one. That I shall talk about in the next slide. Then explanation two. You have to identify the key ideas to help you focus the search and clarify the scope of your search thing. Let me just dive to the example. The first example is like when you are making a research for a question like what are the effects of climatic change on agricultural productivity in Africa? Hmm? The key concepts you can pick from this example is the climatic change, the agricultural productivity, and Africa. Those are the main themes, those are the main thing you can pick from this. And the second example for the research question like what are the social and economic impacts of the gender-based violence in rural communities? For this question, the key concepts you could pick is the first one is gender-based violence, the second one social impacts, the third economic impacts, and the fourth is rural communities. So guys, hope you have got something about the identification of key concepts and terms. Let me just go to the second one. For more information, if I'm really too fast, just pause and read from each slide. I think you'll get more and more of each information I'm talking about. So let me just go straight to the second one, that is selection. Selection of terms. Yeah. This is the second components of such strategy. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about it in this video again. Yeah, this selection of terms. In selection of terms, you have to choose the appropriate keywords. The keywords, they in phrase, they can be in phrases, and also you choose the synonym related to each key concepts to expand the scope of your study, to give your search a more broader field. You have mm, to, to also pick out the related synonyms and include them in your search. Yeah, like for single keywords, you have to start with simple, and then the broad terms will come later. Yeah, when you're searching, you have to start with the simple one, then broad terms come later. Then for phrases, use quotation marks for the exact phrases, e.g., climatic change. That climatic change, you have to put it in a double quotation marks. That one will give you the exact information about your research question. Your research results will be the exact one for climatic change, and not any other thing apart from climatic change. Yeah, so synonyms and variations search for related words to broaden your results. Yeah, so here there are some example and the explanation for the synonyms. uh the explanation of number one is talking about the different authors may use varying terminology. So including the synonyms or alternative expressions will ensure a comprehensive result. Since different authors they use various vocabularies or terminologies to mean something. So you have to choose all those synonyms, all those related terms, and you include them in your search. So, like for example, for the concept of climatic change, you you could also use the synonyms like the global warming, the environmental change. That will mean automatically the same thing. That's another term to mean global, to mean climatic change. I mean, yeah. Then there are also related terms like climatic variability and extreme weather. That one you can also use them to mean climatic change. So guys, let me go to the second example that still talk about the use of synonyms and unrelated terms. Yeah, like for example, for the for the concept about the gender-based violence, you could use the synonyms like intimate partner violence. That synonym will mean directly the same thing as gender-based violence. Yes, and also so the use of related terms for this gender-based violence. There are some related terms that may mean directly the same thing, like the violence against women and domestic violence. Also, sexual violence also refers to the gender-based violence. So, guys, I thank you for watching my videos. Just stay tuned. More and more will come with you. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your friend. Also, let your friend get what you're learning now. Don't be selfish and be with it alone. So guys, I love you. Thanks. More will come. Just stay following. Just stay following. I love you.